Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 8-6. In this final episode, we will deal with the last sentence of the reading. But first, a review. Aut Perseus. But when Perseus saw these things, he drew his sword, and after putting on his winged sandals, he rose into the air. Then from above he charged suddenly against the monster, and with his own sword deeply wounded its neck. The creature, when it perceived the wound, emitted a blood-curdling scream, and without delay plunged its body, into the water. While Perseus flit around the shore, he was waiting for its return. The sea, meanwhile, however, was stained on all sides with blood. After a short time, the creature again raised its head. Soon, however, it was wounded by Perseus with a more severe blow. Tum iterum se in undas mersit, neque posteo visa est. Then, tum, this is a temporal adverb, a second time, iterum, again, se mersit, it plunged itself. This is the third singular perfect indicative active of the third conjugation verb mergo, mergere. We had it up here already in this reading. Its object is se, which refers back to the creature. Se, then, is feminine, singular, and accusative, because the last subject was belua. So, at that point, the creature plunged itself a second time in undas, into the waves. Undas is feminine plural, and accusative as the object of the preposition se. Nor, neque, is and not, et non, but we say neque or neck. And afterward, postea, another temporal adverb like tum, it was not seen, visa est. Or we might say it was never seen again. Visa est is the third singular, perfect indicative passive from the second conjugation verb video, videre. This portion of the verbal, the adjective, is feminine because again we're referring to belua.